Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. Do you remember the Coldplay couple? The couple that had gone to Coldplay and they got played right there on blast. Well, Christine Colbert was half of the couple that was caught, and she was married to Andrew. Well, we have an update. Husband speaks out amid divorce from woman caught on camera with her boss at the Coldplay concert. Andrew and Christine Colbert were amicably separated several weeks before the infamous moment a spokeswoman for him tells people asking for privacy. A Massachusetts entrepreneur is speaking out about the end of his marriage to a tech company executive who was infamously seen at a Coldplay concert in July in the arms of her boss. News of Christine Colbert's filing for divorce from husband Andrew Colbert recently made headlines weeks after she was caught on a so-called kiss cam, wrapped up with the then astronomer CEO Andy Byron, who is also reportedly married. Well, that was the big hoo-ha, because they were both married, only that they were both married to other people. Spokesman for Andrew tells people that he and Christine were privately and amicably separated several weeks before the Coldplay concert. Their decision to divorce was already underway prior to that evening, the spokeswoman adds. Now that the divorce filing is public, Andrew hopes that this provides respectful closure to speculation and allows his family and privacy they've always valued. No further public comment will be made, the spokesman said. A spokesperson for Christine did not immediately respond to a request for her comment. Andrew, 61, is the CEO of Pravati Ram. He has 2 kids from a previous marriage. He and Christine do not share children. Did not know that. Christine was working as astronomer's chief people officer when she and Byron were seen in the instantly viral clip in the audience at a Coldplay show in Massachusetts this summer. Their unusual reaction, she quickly turned her back and he ducked out of sight, led Martin to joke that either they're having an affair or they're very shy. Neither Christine nor Byron has yet publicly addressed the nature of their relationship. According to NBC News, she filed for divorce in New Hampshire in August. The entire imbroglio spawned countless memes and mockery and put a national spotlight for a few days. I wouldn't say a few days, I would say a couple of weeks on the former colleagues. Many online perped to dig up and share personal details about both of their families. Yes, they did. It was a hot smoking mess. The controversy was also the suspect of much discussion about the nature of privacy in a digital age and what behavior should and shouldn't subject someone to public scrutiny. Both Christine and Byron subsequently left Astronomer. In a press release in November announcing Colbert's initial hiring at the Astronomer, Byron was quoted as saying her exceptional leadership and deep expertise in talent management, employee engagement, and scaling people strategies will be critical as we continue our rapid trajectory. She is a proven leader. After succeeding Byron, Interim CEO Pete DeJoy addressed the incident in a statement and touted the company's resilience even in the spotlight. The events of the past few days have received a level of media attention that few companies, let alone startups, in our small corner of data and AI world ever encountered, DeJoy wrote. The spotlight has been unusual and surreal for our team, and while I would never have wished for it to happen like this, Astronomer is now a household name. I agree 110%. Again, you know, this is what it is in the digital age. If you don't want your picture to be taken, then you should not take the person that you are having an affair with to a public space, let alone a concert where everybody has a smartphone and you are filming and you are enjoying the moment of which you paid a ticket for. You have no case. You have no case, you have no ground on this whatsoever. And the mere fact that you were going through a divorce, don't you think that perhaps you should have just kind of sort of waited a little bit? You know, because it looks like, Christine, you have ants in your pants. That's what we used to say back in the day. You have ants in the pants. So you can't just sit down in one place. And so here you are, as far as I'm concerned, you're guilty beans, mama, because I'm fully aware that Byron was still very, very married. There was no divorce in sight. Needless to say, my darlings, let this be a lesson to all. Let it be a lesson. You should not be having an affair on your spouse, one, and you should not be having an affair in a public space. You have no grounds whatsoever for that. But it's also a little enlightening, and this is for the husband that's divorcing Christian. I don't know why they're divorcing, none of our business. We might not know all of the details, but it does make me feel a little bit better knowing that he doesn't really care. We were getting a divorce, we don't have children together, girl, bye. That's all I can say. On a much more lighter note, guess what, my darlings? I am going to be hosting the African Fashion Awards on the 27th of October. I would love to see Fumi Nation there. It is going to be absolutely fabulous. Leading up to the event, I'm going to have vlogs as well as style videos on what I should kind of sort of wear to the event. Because as you very well know, the fashionista in me, I am going to be changing multiple times. Yes, darlings, the link is below. And as if that is not enough, I'm a nominee for an award. Can you believe that? At the Afro-European Award that will be taking place on the 4th of October. So October is going to be really, really interesting and fun. It is Adrian's 7th birthday on the 7th of October. My daughter's birthday is also on the 3rd of October. My sister's birthday, 20th of October. It is Nigeria's Independence Day, her birthday on the 1st of October. And my mother's birthday on the 26th of October. So October is jam-packed with a lot of celebration, and I cannot wait to see all of you, as always, to really say thank you for all of your love and support. Thank you, my darlings, for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you sooner than later. All of my love. Yes, I do. Look, back up. Have you noticed that I refuse to give any of this away? It's always sold out. Always what? It's always sold out. So, guys, what do I think about our slippery lime shampoo? Let me show you something. Let me show you something. And for the benefit of other shampoo products, I covered them. I had to do this test because I needed to prove a point, and I don't want to bring up any other product or brand, but these are other shampoos that I've had. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to take them out one by one. Let me put my slippery slime here. I'm going to bring it out one by one, and I'm going to pour it out for you to see. Yeah, look at the consistency. Look at the consistency. Okay, that is one. Look at the consistency of this one. Okay. Look at the consistency of this. Oh God. Look at the consistency of this. Look at the consistency of slippery slime shampoo by Healthy Hair Studio, created by a trichologist called ENITAN. It's a beast. It won't even. Just look. If you are asking me, Fumi, a slippery lime shampoo, healthy hair studio, created by trichologist ENITAN. Is it FDV approved? It is absolutely FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Go right ahead and use my discount code Fumi and get you.
The value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking